Hi! In front of me is TCL 406 and today I would like to show you how you can edit passwords saved in Google Passwords Manager. Begin by going into Settings and scrolling all the way down to access Google section. Then click on Autofill, Autofill with Google, and Google Password Manager. Following that, just tap on one of your passwords that you wish to edit and enter your current login method. Finally, select Edit button right next to the Delete one and change wherever you wish to. When you're done, hit Save at the top right corner. So when I do that, as you can see, my password was successfully edited. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Bye!